thought was real in life somehow steer you wrong. And now you just keep driving, trying to find